how many pumpkins do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 pumpkins. How many real pumpkins do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Wow. Where's the smallest pumpkin? Oh, there he is. Where's the biggest pumpkin? I love it. What are you and Daddy going to do?
Go trick or treating.
You are. Are you going to carve the pumpkins?
We're gonna make them to jack-o'-lantern. But
Jack-o'-lanterns?
that was already jack-o'-lantern.
Yeah, let's look at that one.
Yeah, he's a
Ooh,
Blippi
it's a Blippi pumpkin.
Yeah, you're scary.
Ooh, he looks happy though.
Can you pee at
He has a smile on him. I like his eyes. What shape are his eyes?
Just like a house.
It does look like a house.
A birdhouse.
Yeah. Kind of like a pentagon, huh? What
Yeah.
shape is his nose?
His nose has 1, 2, 3 sides.
So what has 3 sides?
Triangle.
A triangle. Very good. What is Mr. Pumpkinhead doing? Are you going to make a jack-o'-lantern?
Yeah. A jack-o'-lantern just looks like orange.
Oh, fun. Are you drawing the face first? What shape? Okay, you gotta cut around the top
My poopies.
with a sharp knife. Gotta be careful.
Sharp.
Ooh, what's inside? How does it feel?
Slacky.
Does it feel gooey? Stick your hand in. Pull some of the seeds out. And the gooey goo.
Yeah, I don't want to.
Get the little scooper to get the goo out. Or a scooper. Yep. There.
Ah. Goose eat. Ah. Get all the goo out of you. Slacky. Oh. We'll see. I think I will need a little help.
You need a little help?
Yeah, I think I need help.
You can pull it out. Which hand? Look, Daddy can just pull it out. Look. You know?
I don't want to do.
Oh, look. It feels nice. It feels nice.
And Daddy can roast those pumpkin seeds.
Yeah, look. You use your hand. Use your hand.
Get a big.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Good. Put it there.
good job.
Yeah, there's some more.
I found you. I found Dad. I find him. Outside, outside. Ow.
Here, cut.
Wait! Spidey's right here. His spy was over there, but now it's right here.
It's the Spidey. Hello, Spidey. How are you?
How are you?
Oh, are you moving? Are you moving, Spidey?
Spidey.
I see you, Spidey.
I see you, Spidey.
Yeah.
I really have a lot of eyes so I can spy
Yeah, we see
anything.
you.
He made a whip, I stopped.
Yeah.
But now I saw it, and and instead I will go this way.
Come on, William.
This is so fun.
Good. Thank you.
Hey, Mama, do you
Okay, let's go to the next one.
Next one.
Next one.
Oh, there's one. There's one. Trick or treat. Mama, look at the candy. Yeah. Happy Halloween.
Y'all gonna beat us.
Mama.
Hi, William. Hi. That's cute. She wanted you to dress up.
We already did it. Did we come to this one? Yeah.
Yep.
I guess we did hit one or two right here.
It's gonna get cold, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm already cold.
Whoa! Do you see that? It's a big
I went down that way.
Yes. Not this one though. Oh, this is great.
Mama, look what treats I have.
I love it.
Did you say thank you? Bye.
Oh, here comes Clay.
Mama, do you see that skeleton? Whoa! There's monster eyes on that house! Oh my gosh! The monster.
Look at the big bucket, William.
Let's go! Wow! Look at that fish bucket of candy! I'll get a Hershey bar! Okay! I already got my tree!
Wow. Go see the spider.
Come on, I'll walk up with you.
Ooh, it's so spooky.
Spider!
grab you a Sour Patch Kid? Oh, it does move. I told you. William.
Can you get me a piece of candy?
Okay, William.
No, don't.
Come on.
A mini spider.
Yeah, look at all these spiders.
Oh, don't like that giant spider.
Ooh.
I got Sour Patch Kids. Oh yeah. Look at that spider on bus.
Nobody's gonna get that.
There's so many spider around. Think people know.
Ooh, go on up.
The monster there.
Are you here for trick or treat? Thing, would you please give our guests some candy?
What is that?
That's Thing. Thank you, Thing. Here we go.
Look,
One
I
for
got a
you.
sucker.
Here we go. Thank you,
Thank you.
Thing. All right, you're welcome.
Oh, sorry. Mama, did you see that black dog? I got Skittles again.
Woohoo.
Yep, lots of yummy treats.
Okay, let's go this way.
I love treats.
Out, they carved them, but they got
Ooh. Look at all the cool lights. Keep going, it's okay.
Come on, baby.
It's a scarecrow.
Happy Halloween.
I love your costume.
Say trick or treat. And say thank you. You guys look great. Okay. Ooh. Come on up. Oh, look behind you, William. Someone is in there. Oh no. Look behind you, William.
Oh my God!
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Okay, come on.
We got juice boxes and water.
Brayden, get a water.
Happy Halloween! I know
Get a water.
Thank you.
Get a water. Get a water.
I'm not gonna put my hand in there.
Ooh, that's loud. Jen. Oh yeah.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice video. Click subscribe down below.